2019 GMC Canyon Denali Ford No Charge Lifetime Powertrain Warranty provides protection for as long as you own the car to the key component groups essential to keeping your vehicle running: the engine, transmission/transfer case/all-wheel drive assembly, and drivetrain assembly. Service performed by John Sinclair Nissan. In transit optional equipment: 4WD, 5 rectangular chrome assist steps, black spray-on bed liner with GMC logo, Bose premium 7-speaker audio system feature, Denali specific chrome grille, driver alert package, forward collision alert, heated steering wheel, lane departure warning system, polished exhaust tip, preferred equipment group 4SD, tow/haul mode, trailering assist guideline hitch guidance, trailering package, ultrasonic rear parking assist, ventilated driver seat, ventilated front passenger seat, wheels, 20 by 8.5 ultra bright machined aluminum. KBB fair market range high, 8,6081724 city/highway MPG.